Hello everyone! In this video, you'll embark on a colorful and exciting journey through the Drakensberg Mountains, a beautiful natural landscape that stretches between South Africa's KwaZulu Natal province and the mysterious country of Lesotho. With a vast area of up to 243,000 hectares, Drakensberg has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, thanks to the majestic beauty of towering cliffs, lush forests, white waterfalls, rolling hills, and deep canyons. From trails hidden in the jungle to soaring peaks touching the clouds, a wealth of exciting experiences and stunning scenery await. Drakensberg carries the pristine and mysterious beauty of an untouched world. A detailed handbook has been prepared to make it easy for you to explore and enjoy the beauty of Drakensberg. Hopefully, the information and suggestions in the video will bring you moments of relaxation and excitement in your own adventure. Drakensberg is like a book that opens 3 different chapters. Drakensberg South, Drakensberg Central, and Drakensberg North. Each area has its own charm and is easily accessible by road, although potholes can sometimes make your journey slower than other parts of South Africa. When you arrive, you'll find a treasure trove of exciting activities and plenty of accommodation options in all 3 areas. We're excited to take you on a tour of each area of Drakensberg, sharing our favorite hiking routes and activities we've experienced. Join us on this adventure and discover the majestic beauty of Drakensberg. Embark on a journey in South Drakensberg, a charming region between Bushmansneck and Kamberg. Here, quaint towns such as Underberg provide an ideal starting point for exploring the land. South Drakensberg is mostly an agricultural region, with its secluded beauty, but promises many exciting adventures. You can take part in activities such as mountain biking, horseback riding, fishing, bird watching, and exploring the amazing trails. One of our favorite trails is the Pillar Cave, which is 8.5 kilometers round trip, with an altitude of 360 meters. In addition, the Giant's Cup is a popular destination, requiring at least 3 days to complete the entire journey. However, the special feature of South Drakensberg is the Sani Pass, the highest pass in South Africa that can only be explored by 4x4. At the top of the pass, at 9,429 feet, you can enjoy a meal at the highest pub in Africa. learn about Basotho culture in a local village, or embark on a long adventure into Lesotho. We experienced this tour from Underberg and provided a link to the tour in the description below the video, where the guide shared many interesting stories about the traditional Basotho blankets. Continuing our journey to explore Drakensberg, we now set foot in central Drakensberg, the largest area of this majestic mountain range. It includes popular destinations such as Giant's Castle, Champagne Valley, Monk's Cowl, and Injasuthi. With peaks over 3,000 meters high, central Drakensberg not only boasts breathtaking beauty, but is also part of a great natural heritage. The center of the area is Cathkin Park, where you can choose as a stopover, located at the foot of Monk's Cowl Mountain in the Champagne Valley. Here you can explore the trail to Blindman's Corner. The route is about 12 kilometers long with an elevation gain of 660 meters, leading you through majestic landscapes and challenging slopes. If you want an easier option, the path to Nandi Falls is ideal for relaxing at the foot of the falls. Central Drakensberg is also a cultural hub with the Drakensberg Boys Choir, where you can enjoy special performances on Wednesdays at 3:30 p.m. Don't forget to check the schedule in advance. After a day of conquering the mountains, be sure not to miss the opportunity to visit the Drakensberg Brewery, to sip a refreshing local beer, and enjoy the typical flavors of this mountainous region. When it comes to the Drakensberg North, one thing that is clear is undeniably the illustrious presence of the amphitheater. Here, a great stone wall appears, where the majestic Tugela Falls cascades from a height of about 3,107 feet, claiming the title of the second tallest waterfall in the world. If you're not afraid of the altitude challenge, an amazing adventure awaits you via the Sentinel Peak Trail. Are you ready to take on the challenge of the Sentinel Peak Trail? This is one of the most popular hikes in Drakensberg, more than 13 kilometers round trip, bringing you up close to the majestic views of Tugela Falls. To start the journey, you need to go to the Sentinel parking lot, which is only accessible by 4x4 vehicles. If you don't have a four-wheeled vehicle, you can book a shuttle from Witsishuk Mountain Lodge, which is about 8 kilometers down the mountain. This hike will cost you about 5 to 6 hours, and you can choose between climbing the chain ladder and descending the ravine, or simply following the path through the ravine. Don't forget to check the weather forecast before you leave, as the weather here can change quickly and unexpectedly. For the best experience when visiting Drakensberg, choose a time from April to May or September to October. In these months, the weather is usually ideal, mild, and pleasant for outdoor activities. However, be aware that road conditions can cause delays in traveling between areas. If you have limited time, it's best to focus on exploring 1 or 2 areas to fully enjoy the beauty of the mountains. Don't forget to check the condition of the trails, especially those that are poorly maintained, and be wary of the presence of snakes in the tall grass. Safety and thorough preparation will help you have a smooth and enjoyable trip. Hopefully, this video has provided you with useful information and inspiration to plan your own adventure. Have a wonderful and memorable trip. If you find this video good and meaningful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Please leave your questions or comments in the comments section. Have a great adventure, and see you in the next video.